to show you how to go to Club Bam Bam. I'm here at the North Point apartment. So first you turn right. Oh, sorry. And then right again. You just go straight past the massager, and there you have Club Bam Bam. But also you can look on your map, and if you go closer, you can see this Club Bam Bam. So there, you see right there where my finger's pointing, and you can just click there, and you go there, and that's how you get to Club Bam Bam.